Thanks to all the talented builders who showed us some Lowrider love. Thanks again to Charles for being our guest horseman. Next month's Four Horsemen build theme is JDM, Japanese Domestic Market. Steering wheels on the right, unique features built in Japan for sale exclusively in Japan. Something that turns heads wherever it goes. And we welcome Dan of Dan's Chop Shop as our guest horseman.
Remember, Four Horsemen builds are open to everyone. You don't have to have a social media platform to participate. Just send a high-quality, widescreen glamour shot of your build to 4horsemendiecast@gmail.com to be included in our recap videos. We need those by the build due date. If you are uploading, be sure to use hashtag 4horsemendiecast so we can all find your stuff.
To recognize those talented builders who participate in Four Horsemen builds regularly, we developed the Horseshoe Awards. A horseshoe is earned based on the number of builds someone participates in dating back to January 2023. You get a bronze horseshoe after participating in 6 builds. Silver horseshoes go to those who have completed 12 builds. Gold horseshoes are earned after participating in 24 builds. Platinum horseshoes go to those who have completed 36 builds. And diamond horseshoes are awarded to builders who have participated in 48 Four Horsemen Diecast community builds. Thanks to all of you for participating and supporting the Four Horsemen. See you next month.